Hey there, friends. It's Pharmacist Michael here. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your health: medication mistakes. Believe it or not, even the most health conscious among us can slip up when it comes to taking medications. Improper usage can not only negate the benefits of these vital drugs, but sometimes even lead to serious health issues. So, stick around as we uncover the top 3 mistakes you might be making without even knowing it. All right, let's kick things off with our first big mistake: misunderstanding prescription labels. You'd be surprised how easily this happens. For instance, confusing twice daily with every 12 hours can lead to taking medications too close together or too far apart, impacting their effectiveness. So, what can you do? First, always read labels with a bit of skepticism and curiosity. When in doubt, don't hesitate to tap into the expertise of your pharmacist. Yes, we love answering questions. Remember, dosage errors aren't just technical slips, they can lead to overdosing, underdosing, and a host of unwanted side effects. Our second major slip up is mixing medications without consulting healthcare professionals. Each drug carries its own interactions, and mixing certain ones can result in anything from reduced effectiveness to downright danger. Here's a piece of advice: your pharmacist should be your new best friend. Let them know all the medications you're taking, including over the counter ones. Did you know even something as seemingly harmless as ibuprofen can have interactions with prescription drugs? Avoid those potential pitfalls by making that crucial call to your doc or pharmacist. Lastly, let's talk about timing and dietary instructions, the neglected stepchildren of medication regimens. Taking pills with food or on an empty stomach at the right intervals can make all the difference. Ignoring these instructions? Well, that's like taking a cake out of the oven way too early. It just doesn't work out. For example, some medications require an empty stomach for proper absorption, while others must be taken with food to prevent stomach irritation. Messing up on timing can lead to less effective treatment, so don't skip those instructions. Moving on to another common misstep: skipping doses, or conversely, doubling up after a missed one. Life gets busy, skips happen, but doubling a dose for makeup can be risky. It's crucial to adhere to a set schedule, and if you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember, unless it's close to the time for your next dose. In such cases, it's usually best to skip entirely, but never adjust without checking with a healthcare professional. Reaching out to your pharmacist can provide you the right course of action tailored for your situation. Let's put a spotlight on storage now. Where you store your medications can be just as important as how you take them. Storing pills in the bathroom? Guilty as charged. But here's the kicker: the humidity can degrade the medication efficacy over time. Your best bet is a cool, dry place out of reach of children. Always check the storage instructions on your label or consult your pharmacist if you're unsure. I want you to remember that being proactive when it comes to medications isn't about following strict rules. It's about cultivating health conscious habits. Always feel encouraged to seek advice from healthcare professionals, be it your doctor, nurse, or friendly neighborhood pharmacist. Keep these tips in mind and you'll navigate your medication journey much more smoothly. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, like and subscribe for more insightful health tips. Until next time, take charge of your health. It's your greatest wealth.